If you're like me, you're always looking for new tools to help make things easier in the sewing room. And Embroiderer's Helper is a great tool for doing just that. It makes really quick work of positioning right and left chest embroideries on t-shirts and button-down shirts. In the next segment, we'll show you how to use this great tool. Okay, now we'll use Embroiderer's Helper to stitch a design on the left front of a t-shirt. And first of all, I'll just fold my shirt in half. And I'll position Embroiderer's Helper with the bottom ribbing on the t-shirt. And now if this was a button-down shirt, I would line this little notch with the top button on the shirt. And I'm going to mark, this is a size small shirt, so I'm going to mark the size small notch on Embroiderer's Helper. And then to make sure that it stays straight in the hoop, I'm going to mark this bottom notch in the size small position. Then when I go to my hoop, this is going to be the center of my design, and this one will help me make sure that it stays aligned vertically straight in the hoop. If I wanted to embroider the other chest, we just flip Embroiderer's Helper, line it up with the bottom of the ribbing, and follow that same procedure. As you can see, Embroiderer's Helper is a great time saver in your sewing room, and it eliminates all the guesswork. You get perfect positioning every time on every side. Order yours today. If you're like me, you're always looking for new tools to make things easier in the sewing room, and today we've got a great tool, Embroiderer's Little Helper, for perfect positioning of embroideries above pockets. In the next segment, we'll show you how to use this great tool. Okay, say I was going to embroider a design above my pocket that was 2 inches high, about 3 inches wide. Traditionally, I would have to measure horizontally, find the center and mark that. Then I would have to measure vertically to mark the center of my design. And then I would have to hope that I got it straight. But with Embroiderer's Little Helper, I position the bottom of the Embroiderer's Helper against the top of the pocket. My design is 2 inches high and I want 1 inch above the pocket. So I'll position my centering mark right here even with the 2, and I'm ready to go to the hoop. It took 3 seconds. Embroiderer's Little Helper is great for company logos, monograms, employee names. It doesn't matter what size the shirt is. The procedure is the same and it comes out in perfect positioning every time. Order yours today.